I think it was Michelle that asked a question. I love that, or somebody asked a question. It's a great question. You know, when I'm branding, is it like the product, the service, or is it me as a person? And I'm going to answer that really quick, Eric, because I love that question. And I've learned over the years that initially in my naive days when I first got rolling, I thought it was 100% what Marissa does. I thought it was all this amazing looking website and brochures and pretty templates. And then I realized that, yeah, that's a huge piece of the puzzle. You got to have that. But you also, in the same breath, can build an amazing personal brand, especially through things like social media and Google marketing, where you kind of brand yourself. Like, for example, I've branded myself over the years as Louis the Laser Guy for 18 straight years. And now I can't go to any airport, you guys, in the world without somebody stopping me. Oh, you're Louis the Laser Guy. I saw you on your videos, blah, blah, blah. And they recognize me as this laser guy who's got this dog who's in the education business, you know? So I've kind of created a little mini personal brand of credibility and excellence and lasers and kind of fun with the dog. So my nurse friends and doc friends that have a great personal brand, they've done the same thing. They have a little silly code name. It might be like maybe it's Botox Betty is the name on Instagram versus your name, Betty Smith. I like that better. Botox Betty. And all of a sudden, now Botox Betty is always known to be, doing videos with a cute cat in the background, or kids running around in the background and screaming, yelling, or Botox Betty is skiing every single weekend. And you get known for something, whether it's a passion or a service that you do, or maybe you're an expert in a lip pop, making a lip go up, and all of a sudden people know you on a personal level also. But the branding that Marissa does kicks in there too, because on social media, even you want to have a messaging to create a brand, you got to have the vibe, you got to have the look, you got to have wow them with the immediate first impression. Wow, that looks cool too. That feels comfortable too. That looks like high quality. That looks like a place I'd want to buy from. So I think you have to do both, Michelle, as far as personal branding and the product service, your business getting rolling.